How to do spot trading on Bybit app. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to do spot trading on Bybit app to make money daily. So in that case, what you have to do is first of all log into your Bybit application. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the another field, and here what you have to do is you need to perform spot trading. So for that you need to ensure you are currently in the spot tab. So go to the spot, and next you'll be able to see this order interface. So right on this page, what you can do is you could go ahead and select whether you want to buy or sell. So accordingly you'll be able to do that, and next you need to go ahead and limit that market price. You need to set the order value and then select the currency type as well and click the buy button, and you'll have to confirm all of the information, and then you'll be able to do the spot trading on Bybit app to make money daily. So by following the steps, you should be able to do spot trading on Bybit app to make money daily. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.